Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government survey. Navigating government processes can sometimes feel complex, but for survey applications, there is one designated, official channel to ensure your request is properly received and processed. This guide will walk you through each crucial step, from understanding the initial requirements to successfully submitting your application. Our goal is to simplify this process, helping you avoid common pitfalls and ensuring your survey request is handled with the utmost efficiency. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Before you even begin the application, it's vital to confirm your eligibility for the specific government survey you need. Each type of survey, whether it's for land demarcation or environmental assessment, will have distinct requirements. You'll need to gather all supporting documents, which typically include proof of ownership, a valid form of identification, and any existing survey maps or reports. Double-check that all your paperwork is up to date and that every detail is accurate. This preparatory phase is crucial and can save you significant time and effort later in the process. The singular official method for applying for government survey is through the designated online portal or the specific government agency's website. You will need to locate the correct section for survey applications and meticulously fill out the digital form. This form typically requires detailed information about your property, the purpose of the survey, and your contact details. After completing the form, carefully upload all your prepared supporting documents. Finally, you will be prompted to pay any applicable fees, usually through a secure online payment system. This entire process is designed for efficiency and transparency. Once you have completed all sections and paid the necessary fees, submit your application through the online portal. Immediately after submission, you should receive a confirmation number or a digital receipt. Save this carefully, as it is your primary reference. You can then use this tracking information to monitor the status of your application directly on the government website. It is important to remain vigilant and be ready to provide any further information or clarification that the surveying agency might request. Prompt responses will help ensure your application proceeds smoothly and without unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.